in, man. Full steam ahead to the venue.
So why don't you stop on by?
Nigga, hey, follow us. NWCT.
Yes.
Right now. Let's go.
Come baby photo, nigga. Let's go.
I've been thinking about you all the day.
In the motherfucking house. Grow into women that are ready to get married at hello because of what they allow. We're all they all now. I know they somewhere watching, so I'm trying to make them proud. Searching for the meaning, you find it next to me. Tell me I'm the hottest, guess you'll finally get to see. I'm feeling like Nas, who am I to disagree? They say the doors are
And when you
open,
go back
that's
to
when
the
you
house,
find the
I left
missing
my
key.
charger there in the
It's
kitchen
probably while
plugged
I'm
in.
in the spit shining. I jump
Hey,
up
that
in the
it?
sky, put the stars into
Jam,
alignment.
I'm telling
I
you,
rep the
I'm feeling a
ATF.
little energy. I feel the energy coming up the goosebumps. Industry bumps. I'm feeling it.
Ribbit, street frog.
Look at you hip hop.
Hustle ENT, baby. We here at the Red Line. I'm with my nigga Jinx, his cousin Bobby.
Yeah.
His newest member of the team, Bobby B over there.
Yeah.
My nigga EA over here getting the rooms. You know what's going down. We
Yeah.
about
We want
5,
let
6,
me
7,
light
8
this
hours away from, hopping on stage, turning this motherfucker out. It's your boy Hus. We tuning out. We finna pull around, hop in the car, ride with your boy. You dig?
Hey, pull.
Oh, they got boxing bags up here. Yeah, get it, DJ. Get that shit, DJ.
I'm about to get it in real quick. Hey, you dropped your glasses, homie. Oh, did it? What? Oh. The ones you done went all around town to find.
Stay clear, man.
Hey, man, this is how we do it in the VIP, man.
Watch this,
not
baby.
This is not no
Training
game.
mode.
This is not no game. Yeah, get that Hustle TV.
Go ahead, fuck up your wrist. Buckle me in real quick, man. Let me show you, son. Come on, son. Give me up, bro. Buckle me up, son.
I better back my ass off.
Yeah, I'm about to go a couple
get
rounds with the punchy bag. You ready? Come on, nigga.
Say something funny to that shit.
Wow!
That shit hard.
You see that? You see that, nigga? Do you want some of that? The real Hyjinx, nigga. You see that? That's my power.
Damn, you broke it?
That's power. I don't even know how I did it, nigga. I'm drinking milk, Mom. Now let's get the fuck out of here before they see it and make us pay for it. Gotta go. I got that shit.